There's a very young beefsteak fungus there, growing on this lovely chestnut tree. I mean, this is quite a very well established tree. And it is actually, I think the name's well deserved, personally. They will get a bit darker colour than that. You know, like their steak colour when it's raw? It will get to that kind of colour. And if you season it right, it even tastes like it.
So what we're going to do today, we're going to cook this beefsteak mushroom, basically as if it was a piece of beefsteak. And we're going to make a dish called, when we use beefsteak, it's called beefsteak tagliatelle. And we're going to use beefsteak mushroom tagliatelle, which is basically an Italian dish, which is very rare, cooked piece of beef, very simply pan fried, so a little bit of rocket, some pine nuts and parmesan. So first of all, what we're going to do is just going to prepare the mushroom, take off the spores which are on the underside here. This basically grows in the tree, around the base of the tree, and as you can see, it's a very meaty looking mushroom. As you see it, just when you cut it, if you give it a squeeze, you can see like the juices running out of it, almost look like blood, as if it was a piece of steak. Okay, so I'm just going to season it gently with a bit of sea salt, a bit of pepper, and then we're going to put it into a hot pan.
You can see the top side have been seared already, and the bottom shall very soon be seared. It is just like cooking a steak as if you were doing it rare. Pretty much 1 minute each side, I would say.
Just going to finish it with a little bit of lemon juice. So this is a mushroom that you can actually eat raw. It doesn't need to be cooked for very long at all. We'll show you as well in a minute some thinly sliced beefsteak fungus, which is almost like a carpaccio. And it looks so much like meat, it could easily pass as a carpaccio. You can see there's almost, the juices are running out of it, almost like it's a piece of steak. This is where tagliatelle gets its name from, the way it's cut. Take a little bit of rocket leaf, drizzle with olive oil, and also add your juices into it to add to the dressing. Pine nuts in there as well. Beefsteak fungus tagliatelle.